Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Generic advice? No thanks. Cleo can actually tailor her money tips based on your spending habits and financial goals. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to tailor Cleo's advice to your financial situation. Step 1. Open Cleo and tap settings. Now, or you can always just go through the chatbot and type personalized advice. That's the first step. You gotta open up Cleo and go to settings, or just use the chatbot to type personalized advice. Step 2. Update your financial information. Now, you gotta answer a few quick questions about your income, expenses, savings goals, and priorities. Step 3, set financial priorities. Now you're going to choose what matters most to you. Is it paying off debt? Is it savings for a big goal? Or is it improving daily spending habits? Step 4, review recommended settings. Now Cleo may suggest budget, savings plans, or just spending alerts, of course, based on your information. Step 5, adjust over time. Now, as your situation changes, you can re-personalize advice anytime to be more updated and more current. With tailored advice, Cleo becomes more like a financial coach that gets you not just a one-size-fits-all app. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough, at least to some extent. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and we'll catch you in the next one.